this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a campaign inside of Zoho CRM. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho CRM like you usually would. Then from here you need to go up to the menu up here and click other modules. Then from here you need to click campaigns. And if you have never created a campaign or planned a campaign before, then this page should be popping up. And here you just need to click create campaign. Then from here you'll add in the campaign information. And first of all, you need to add in the campaign owner, which will automatically be you, but you can also add somebody in your team instead. Down here, you can add the campaign name, which is something you need to do before you can save it. You can also add a start date for the campaign, and expected revenue, actual cost for the campaign, and the numbers sent. Over here you can also select the type, where you can choose all of these different ones, which is also obligatory. You can add in a status, an end date for the campaign, and a budgeted cost. Also you can add expected response for the campaign. Then you can also add a description information, where you can add in whatever description you need for your specific campaign. And when you're done with that, you simply need to click save on this blue icon up here in the right hand corner. And then it should be looking something like this. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!